check out this roof over in Maplewood, Minnesota. So I was on this roof. Client actually called me up to do a roof inspection because they had water coming in. We did the roof inspection, and after inspecting the roof, I was able to make a discovery that the roof actually was damaged due to hail damage. And one of the easiest ways to determine if a roof has hail damage is to look at your soft metals. So for example, this gap here is a soft metal. You can clearly see the hail damage. You can see kind of the size of the hail. So I'll just kind of point at it here. This just happened this year from the reports we pulled. So typically, just walking around on the roof, just doing an inspection based on where she told me the water was coming in. And if you look at the circles I have here, that's all hail damage. So there's a good chance that we could probably get this roof covered through this homeowner's insurance because of the storm damage that's on the roof. So basically what we do is we get on the roof, we look at the soft metals, we look at the shingles. This shingle probably is a 13, 14-year-old shingle. In my opinion, the shingle is completely compromised due to hail damage. So we do offer free roof inspections, to see if there's damage. If you're in the Maplewood area, give me a call, 651-703-2336. You can also click on the link in the description and go to my website, and you can schedule a inspection that way. So if you want to make sure that you don't put yourself in a situation to get future leaks in your home, you might want to get an inspection every year or after a storm. It's very important because most people don't realize this, but you cut the life of your shingles with when you get storms like this in this area. So again, my name is Ted. I'm with Sellers Roofing. If you want to reach out to me, I'm at 651-703-2336, or you can click the link in the description. Thanks.